In this video, we'll show you how to use whiteboards in different parts of the platform to map out ideas, structure projects, and document processes clearly. You can create whiteboards on dashboards, boards, cards, as well as card details, comments, and subtasks. Let's start on a dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to your widgets. Click on Add Widget and search for rich text. Once you select the widget, give it a title, for example, Loan Approval Process. Now within the text widget, click on the Insert Whiteboard option. You can expand the whiteboard to full screen to better visualize your content. On the whiteboard, you can map a basic flow. You can add a shape and add text to it, or if you prefer, you can create a sticky note to represent a part of your process. Use arrows to connect parts of your process. Once finished, click Save. The whiteboard now becomes a part of your dashboard and remains accessible for quick reference. Now let's go to a team board. From the sidebar, select the Whiteboards icon. Here, teams can create and organize multiple whiteboards to reflect their own local process or brainstorming sessions. If the icon doesn't appear right away, you can access it by clicking the three-dot menu and selecting Whiteboards. To create a new one, click New Whiteboard, add a name and description, and click Save. We've already created a few examples, so let's open one now. This board focuses on user story mapping. In this scenarios, the team has created a user story map of the work that they need to manage on their boards. You can use shapes like ellipses, triangles, diamonds, hexagons, and more. Even draw with the pen tool or upload images. When something becomes important, you can convert a sticky note into a real card on your board. Just right-click the sticky note, select Convert to Workflow Card, and you can choose where in the process to visualize your idea as a work item. Whiteboards can also live inside cards or initiatives. Say you're managing a project and want to visually explain the structure. Just open a work item where you can insert a whiteboard in your card's detail, comments, or even subtasks to communicate visually with your colleagues. For example, if you want to detail the stages of a new feature rollout or add visual aids to a technical task, whiteboards provide a flexible way to communicate and plan. Now that you know how to create and use whiteboards in Businessmap, whether in dashboards, boards, or individual work items, try them out to better visualize your ideas and brainstorm what needs to be done. As always, don't hesitate to contact our support team should any questions arise.